to go. Baby, what you wanna do tonight? What you got for me to try? We ain't let it dip,
Hey guys, welcome back. Good morning. It's morning here. Good evening, good night, if it's evening or nighttime where you're at. But so today I'm going to go to the fabric warehouse, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'm in my room right now. I'm doing the intro before I leave because I'm going to have my mask on, so I'm not going to be able to like really, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to really hear me. So this is the face. We looking busted, but we going to work, so it don't matter. I'm not gonna say that, but we don't got nobody out here to be looking cute for, so it don't matter. We get into the bag. And that's some period. And I always look cute. Look at those eyebrows. Haven't even touched them. But yeah, stay tuned. Watch the video. Let's see what we go find. Hopefully we find some good finds for wholesale prices because I need fabric, and Joann's is running me dry. Joann's is running me dry. So I guess we'll see. Bye, y'all. Oh, before we leave, I just want to show y'all, like, let's just throw this on. This is a, I don't know. My drip is different. We got the undercoverism. My boo thanked me on that. And I haven't went back since. Undercover is like one of my favorite street fashions, well, like brands from Japan. Undercover and number 9. Let me see. No. Mama, this is like a athletic type of material.
Yeah, like sweatpants, like.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, like the black sweatpants. So your joggers could be.
But I need a heavier, like this is kind of thin, and this is not the material that I want for my joggers. I could feel it's good to. Yeah, cotton jersey. I don't like that.
Okay, no.
I found something. I have found something. Where is it? I was distracted because I was on the phone. This is not very. Which way does this strip? I don't like that. This place is huge, y'all. I am getting frustrated.
No, I mean, let's see what you're looking for. What you looking for? Thickness, right?
Yes, and the stretch.
Thickness for the stretch.
And the feel of it too.
Okay.
Y'all. I mean, I see some good stuff in here, like that I can use. Like feeling this material and seeing how it stretches, I can like think of shirts that I would want to make with this. I just wish they had the stuff in the colors that I wanted them in. Oh, this yellow will be sufficient, I think, or suffice. Yeah, but I just want some cotton like this. So they don't have no cotton. They don't have no material like this in yellow. Like this plaid here. It's hot in here. I know they got that big ass industrial thing, but I just be getting so overwhelmed by things, y'all. I'm like, oh my gosh. Oh, this is this jeans? This is giving me ideas. Lo and behold, mama. Lo and behold. Found what I was looking for. Look at it. Feel it.
Alright, so that's it.
And I want fit. But we know where it's at. How much? I want to know how much it's gonna be for 30. Yes. I can use. This is where it's at. Cause this isn't. Come on. I'm thinking about making a jogger just. If I have to, this is gonna be one color then. I mean, or if I can find another one. But that's where that's at. Okay, bet. Alright, that area is it's C232. 23. Oh, well, that's good. Oh, now we could do something with that.
Now that is pretty.
What can we do with that? Make some.
Oh, that's a wine color. Oh, Ariana, you could do that up.
What will we do with that though?
Oh my God, that is pretty. And that was fall.
The fall. What you know about fall? What you know about how fabric falls? And see, you can see how fabric falls. Mama, what do you know about how fabric falls?
That would be nice right there. You got that?
Oh. Look how, I think this is I thought that was a sheared material. Oh.
That's Stacy right there.
See, this is.
Pinstripe, I like this.
I like the pin. I needed the pinstripe for one of my pants. I'm glad. But you know, I wanted I didn't want the horizontal. I just wanted the vertical pinstripe. But I like this because it's giving me the coolest vibes I was going for. But I wish they had it in yellow.
They probably got them look.
I'm about to make this my fabric store. I'm about to stop buying stuff at retail prices. Mama, look, found it. I think that's it. That's the pinstripe, isn't it? Oh, we getting somewhere, baby. Now let's take a picture of this.
Boy, if you don't get.
You don't like this one?
It's kind of, it's yellow, but it's not like what I'm going for. I want it to be more eye-catching. They're doing good, though. They're doing good. I'm not gonna lie. And look, Mama. Dang, you could use either one of these as pinstripe. You know those pants that I showed you that I made, and they had half of it because I only did like to test the shell.
Right.
I want those to be the high-waisted, and then they come in and they tapered the big pants.
When you look for more, that blouse you're talking about too, the one you're saying to throw down, this would be pretty too.
That will fall too.
That would be pretty too.
It seems more like
It's pretty. You gotta ask them what this material is.
okay. Oh look, and they have this. I want to ask him about that.
So you gonna get 30 yards for this?
I'm gonna ask him how much will 30 yards be for that. Let's talk about the pricing, buddy. So, we're going to find out. This is probably gonna be my new fabric go-to place. These people probably don't know me by name, but okay, so let me show you how it works. Like this stuff over here, this like square over here is for retail price. That's like the same prices as like Joann's, and then everything else over here, what we was looking at is wholesale. Our good findings came from this side, so like that's.
A French terry type thing.
It's what?
A French terry type stuff.
French terry?
French terry, okay.
Okay. And did he tell you how much it was gonna be for 30 yards?
No. I'll go ask. I didn't know.
Okay, thank you. Oh, I knew it.
It's like a chiffon.
Yeah.
And it's kind of costly, no?
Honestly, I would have to call, but I mean, everything that we got on this side usually range from about $2 to $4.
That's not bad at all.
So, you know, swimwear is probably the most expensive.
Swimwear?
Swimwear, yeah, like
Yeah,
bathing suit material.
the, like the nylon.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the stretchy four-way material, yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I'll find out the price.
And I want this material too.
$2 to $4. That's not bad.
So anything over here is gonna be from 2 to 4.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna come back for this. I'm gonna make sure I take a. y'all, I'm closing out my video. I just want to show y'all the fabric. Let's open this a little bit. Yes. And then between two of these, I only paid $180. That's what I would pay at Joann's. And this is 60 yards of fabric between those two. Like, I'm only buying my fabric wholesale from now. But hi guys, so I'm back home. The trip was successful. Let me tell y'all, wholesale is the way to go. But so I didn't record like going into the store or riding up to it because we was kind of on the phone with Tamar. My mom was talking to him and she had my phone. He could have called her on her phone. No, I'm just kidding. But like yeah, but I started recording right after we got done with that. But okay, so the first thing that happened, we were like, it says, my mom opened the door and she said, oh, it says close to the public. I'm like, but they have the hours on Google. So a man came and my mom was like, excuse me. Like, I don't know what I would do without my mama. Like, I get so defeated by things. I'm like, dang, like I have to find another place. But my mom is like, she's like persistent. So she's like, excuse me, like, are you guys open? He was like, yeah, like, what do you need? She was like, is this like the fabric place? And he was like, yeah, like, he was like, what are you trying to buy? And we were just telling him the type of fabric, and he was like telling us that there was like a minimum of like $30. So I mean, not $30, 30 yards, because we're buying it wholesale, like minimum of 30 yards. So he asked us what type of fabric, and I told him like cotton or jersey knit, and he put us in the right direction, or like the right aisle that it would have been on. And at first, y'all, when I went into this place, first of all, I was distracted because I was on the phone when I first went into there, so it didn't really like hit me like how big the place was or like how much fabric was there because I was on the phone. But when I got off the phone, I started looking around. I'm like, bruh, I'm like, it's a good thing that they have this much fabric in here, but like, am I going to find what I came here for? But eventually I did, but it took a little minute. Like, all the fabrics, like, it was jersey knit, but the fabric was like too thin. And I'm like, oh, this is not what I'm looking for. So my mom was like, okay, let's go ask the man. So we let him. We was like, we're kind of looking for like the same fabric as like my pants, and my pants is like the material that I wanted. And he was like, it would be in that area, but he said you can try looking in the resale area. So we went over there, looked around for a little bit, but then me and my mom, we just started to go around because there are other fabric that I needed too, other than cotton, jersey knit. Like, for the things that I'm designing for my collection, it's not all going to be made of jersey knit. Like, there's different materials. So I'm like, hey, maybe I can find other material here. So we started looking around, and eventually, like, we was finding stuff. We was finding all the like different things that I needed, and we eventually found the fabric that I was looking for. It's called French Terry. So I learned something new today, but I thought it at Joann's is called something else. So we found it, and we go to him. We're like, we found the one that we're looking for. He's like, okay, well, send somebody over there to grab it so they can cut the 30 yards for you. And I was like, can I get a price? And he was like, $2.95 per yard. I'm like, what? Like, that's crazy. That's good, because for the fabric that I bought, the $2.95, the French Terry at Joann's, it's like a cotton jersey knit fabric, and it's $6 a yard. I paid, roughly about that much. I paid $60. No, it was more than that. It's more than $6 a yard, because I paid like $60 for 6 yards of fabric. Yep. And I only paid like $85 for 30 at this wholesale place. And I found another fabric that I like. It's ribbed knit. Like I want to use it for like a t-shirt, but I'm not going to talk about what I'm going to use it for because that's kind of giving away my collection. But yeah, it was a nice trip. I'm glad that I decided to take a chance and like go out and find. I'm glad I did my research. Like, I'm glad that I went today because I saved a lot of money in the future, for the future. I'm glad. But I hope y'all like this video. I hope this was nice enough. I talk too much, so I'm going to stop this now. But thank you. I'll be putting out another video tomorrow. I'm putting out this today. This is March 2nd. It's not that long, so I hope the editing doesn't take too long. But yeah, I'm going to stop right now before I keep on talking. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bells, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.